Do you have an Xbox promo code that's not working? Watch this short video and I'll explain how to properly use it. So the first thing you need to know is that official Xbox codes are 25 characters long. This is true if you're redeeming games and DLCs as well as Xbox gift cards and Xbox Live Gold. But if you have a promo code that's less than 25 characters, then it's not from Microsoft. It's most likely a promotional code issued by a third-party company. And this promo code is used to exchange it for a real Microsoft code on the third-party company's website. Here's an example that will help explain what you need to do. A while back, Totino's had a promo where they were giving away a free Forza 7 DLC. Totino's offered a code printed on the back of their pizza products which was only 16 characters long. So it's definitely not an Xbox code. After I purchased the product, what I had to do was go to the Totino's website which was printed on the package instructions. The website they listed is where I needed to go in order to enter and redeem the Totino's promo code. Once redeemed, I was immediately emailed the actual 25-digit Microsoft code that I could use on the Xbox. Only at that point was I able to download the promotional card they were offering for Forza Motorsport 7. So when you have a code that's less than 25 digits, you'll have to use it on the website of the company that issued it. That's the only way to get the real 25-digit Xbox code which will be redeemed on the Xbox console. I hope this short video helps point you in the right direction so you know what to do with your promotional Xbox codes. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.